body and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. Ooh.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Central of Diseases Control. The Central of Diseases Control had discovered that all flowers on planet Earth has been confirmed contaminated for an unknown reason. The cause of this is unknown, but all residents in the entire city of Atlanta, Georgia are advised to do the following instructions. Do not go outside, as you will face certain death by breathing in the oxygen of the flowers. Stay tuned for more updates regarding the situation. An emergency action termination has been issued. The contaminated flowers that were issued earlier had disappeared. You can now continue your regular routine. Regular programming may now resume. The government thanks you for participating in the emergency alert system. Regular programming may now resume. Please stand by.
What time it is? Marvin Devine, Huber, Axel, and you know how we do. Yeah, I got the juice,